story that I wrote by myself. It is called Six Birds in a Nest by Smith Bowles. Chapter 1, Jule's Eggs. Once upon a time in a tall oak tree, there lived a mother parrot. She had 5 speckled eggs. Her name was Jule. She sat on them all day, but there was one problem. The eggs won't hatch. Day after day, she would sit on them. When will they hatch? She would say over and over again. Chapter 2. Surprise! One day, the eggs hatched. They were so cute. So cute. It was the best day ever. She had someone to play with. Jule had to teach them a lot of things before playing. She taught them to fly, eat, sing, and most of all, she taught them to be good babies. Chapter 3, The Costume Party. It was Halloween. They all dressed up as ladybugs. It was their first Halloween. They went to every house. Then they went to the crazy costume party. Everyone was wearing a costume. Chapter 4, Turkey. One day on November 28th, the family had a big feast. They called it Thanksgiving. It was the biggest party of the year. They had turkey. Well, they did not know what it was, but it was good. The end. And that is a story by Smith Bowles, and I published it at school by myself.